Hey bestie, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in for an unboxing, y'all, from the Daily Grind Planner. And this just literally got here, so I thought I would go ahead and open it with my besties and share with y'all what is in the purple mystery box. So, spoiler, if you do not want to be spoiled and you haven't gotten your box yet, do not watch this video. But if you don't care or you just want to see what's in it, stay tuned. Alright bestie, like I said, this is my mystery box. It's here, so we're gonna open it together. And I don't think I've opened a box on camera in a while because I kind of like stopped doing that because I was like, you know what, we can cut all that little time out. But this one's not too bad. Okay, y'all, so this is the purple box too, by the way. Is the one that I received. So let's dive in. Ooh, well, I say I got the purple box. This is a pink box. I ain't mad at it. I'm not even mad at it, but I can let them know. Maybe they ran out of purple because the purple sold out by the time my order got put in. Who knows? But I'm happy because I got some more pens. Okay, another pack of pens. Nice. And we got, are these the gingerbread disc? It's a whole nother gingerbread cover set. It is. Okay, besties, I'm probably gonna do a giveaway with this because I already got one. Okay, so y'all comment below if y'all want a giveaway because I literally already have one of these, for real. Okay, this is definitely the pink box though. Gotta be, because it's giving pink, honey. Okay, this is giving purple though. And these are the teacup dividers. Y'all know I always be happy about like a new pack of divider sets or whatever. So, but I believe we've seen these. Okay, so yeah, these were kind of like the summer collection. And then these are the dividers for the whole Christmas collection. Like, legit, y'all. Wow, they did pack these. I wasn't sure what was gonna be in them. And listen, I'm super happy about this because I've never picked up the pink one and I wanted the pink one too. I have the purple one. So maybe this just kind of worked out in my favor to be pink. Knowing I got all the purple stuff that they got. So yay. Let me open this up just in case y'all haven't seen the Daily Grind bags. I love them because it comes with like a lot. First off, it's really cute. Okay, all the doodles and stuff on it. So you have this outside zipper, and look at that. Look at the doodles on the inside. Super cute, right? Like, let me move the box out the way so y'all can really see. But super cute on the inside, and then you have a ton of, like, you have this pocket here. You got a zip pocket right here. So I just feel like planner sesh is ready. It's like all you need. Then you have this pen holder, which I really love. Okay, and then these are your strap downs to put your planner in. And y'all, it packs a punch because you can pack several planners in here. I know I have. Okay, so like a lot fits in here. Okay, and I just love all the little doodles and everything. But I wanted the pink one, so I really kind of feel like this worked out in my favor. I know I said purple in the beginning because that was what was in my order. However, listen, I'm not mad. I do have this though, and because I have this, I probably for sure will do a giveaway if y'all want to. So definitely comment below if y'all want a giveaway, and I'll probably do it in my community tab like I did before. So let me know below though if y'all are even interested in that, because I got you. Okay, I got you. But yes, this was so fun. This was really, really fun and really, really cool to like experience. And like, I want to know what's in all the other ones now. Like all the other colors and stuff. Like what came in them. But y'all, the fact that they put like this one in there, I am just shocked. Okay, because this was this cover, and I probably should take it out the packaging just in case y'all have never seen it. It's like, can you open it all the way up, girl? Why y'all didn't tell me? But seriously, this one was so popular and it was my favorite. Y'all, okay, besties. And I'm pretty sure these are the gingerbread disc. It's like I don't want to mess up the box though. Like, see, mine, I just ripped it slap open, child. But I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they got the gingerbread man on it. Okay, so yay. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, super fun. So now I'm just really curious. What's in all the other ones? All the other goodies. Y'all, this planner bag done made my day. I wasn't expecting this. And you know, when they gave the colors and stuff, like I was like, okay, what all, I mean, I know purple is my favorite color, so I know I want that, but what all is in like purple? But I'm like, I pretty much have all the purple stuff that they offer. So, but I don't have everything pink, hence this planner bag. So, and pink is my second favorite color. So, I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Okay. So, yes, shout out to the daily grind, y'all. I did not say that, but shout out to the daily grind. Today is the last day, though, that you can get a mystery box. And honestly, y'all, there's only one color left if it has not sold out by the time this video goes up. And that's the green one. Okay, the mystery boxes sold out so fast. Like, pretty much less than 24 hours. They were already, well, less than 12 hours. They were already on the 2.0 boxes. Because they did like a 1 version, and then that's the one we all promoted and shared with everybody with the descriptions and stuff that was put on like the daily grind groups. However, they had to do a 2.0 because it sold out so fast, and even those sold out. So if you want to experience anything with the daily grind, this is very good value. It's $50, but you get $100 worth of value, y'all, because these covers, baby, the planner bag alone, okay, and these covers and discs and the dividers, and we got pins. Yeah, I love it. Okay, thank you so much, Bestie, for watching this video. Thank you so much, Daily Grind, for these mystery boxes. And yeah, if y'all have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. See my link if you want to purchase or get anything from the Daily Grind. Definitely don't forget to use my coupon code, which is my name, Kenya, to get that 10% off, because you could actually use that on top of this too. So it's actually less than $50 if you use my code. So yes, bestie, I want to thank you all so much for watching this and for joining me in the hype, okay, of what I had in this mystery box. And thank you for always just being so sweet, so kind, and just so loving. Y'all are the best. And please subscribe if you're new here. I would love, love, love to have you join our bestie fam. So yeah, until next time, bestie, I love you guys. Bye.